Hello there, Philip in the Philippines here. You know, I've been here a few years now in the Philippines, and people ask me, what do you think of the Philippine people? I have a very easy answer. The Philippine people are wonderful. They're so generous, they're so good-hearted. They welcome you with open arms. They'll give you the last grain of rice on their plate if they think you need it. I get people coming over with our neighbours. They come over, they say, here is a plate of ginataan. We've got some laing, which we'd like to share with you. We've got spaghetti, which we would like to share. It's wonderful the way they do this. Of course, not everyone is like that. I would like to just point out there have been one or two incidents where it's been not such a good experience. For example, many years ago, my wife and I were walking around a market, not in our area, in another area, and my wife was looking at some slippers. Let's say they're 150 pesos for a pair of slippers, and she said to the market stall owner, the lady behind the stall, 150 pesos. If I buy two, can I have the two for 200 pesos? She was trying to barter, you know, get a bit of a better price, you know, thinking that the salesperson was going to say, no, you can't have it for 200, but you can have it for 220 or 250. However, what the market seller said, when she looked at me, she said, you have a foreign husband. You don't need to haggle. And so, of course, we just walked away from that situation. We're not interested in dealing with people like that. Another situation was a few years ago. We were looking for a second-hand car, and the car was 300,000 pesos online. And so my wife, she phoned the man up, and he went through all the details with her and said, yes, it is 300,000 pesos. And she said, great, okay, we'll think about this. And then we talked about it, and I said, okay, can you check on this or check on that? She phoned them up again and checked on those details, and yes, and it was still 300,000 pesos. Okay, we went to have a look at the car to see if we wanted to buy it. So once we got there, the seller took one look at me and said, you know, that online price was actually wrong. It's supposed to be 350,000 pesos. And no, it has to be that price. I'm not giving any discount. So again, it was because a foreigner was involved. Those are a couple of unfortunate incidents that you do get, and you get that anywhere in the world where people try to take advantage. That can happen anywhere in the world. So basically, the people in the Philippines are like the people anywhere else in the world. But I would say that the vast majority of them are very hospitable, and they're very nice to you. They're very generous. Now, to back that up, what I would like to do is just show another video of something that happened yesterday, which bears this out, about people being lovely people. And I think you'll agree there will then be a good thing in your mind that, yes, these are good people. Enjoy the video.
tubeless.
Opo.
Tapos anong gagawin?
Tapalan po natin sa loob.
Tapal lang. Ang galing. Nakuha mo? Nalinisan pa. Salamat! Ano pangalan mo?
Bong.
Thank you, Kuya Bong! Ayan, si Kuya Bong, ang masigasi. Thank you!
Now that you've seen that video, I'm sure you agree that this is a very nice place to visit, a nice place to stay, even a nice place to retire to, because on the whole, this is good value for money in this country and good, hospitable people. Just as a last note, take care, like, subscribe, share with everyone that you can. Please comment, stay strong, be blessed. I'll see you next time. Thank you.